Alright guys, today we're going to be dipping some warp speed and we're going to be dipping our Seahawks emblem here. This is in Seahawk blue. You can see that. Got a buddy that's doing these. We're doing them together actually. This is warp speed. It's got silver, green, and blue in it, and then a transparency. So that'll pull this dark Seahawk blue out. And then I'm going to candy them. Hopefully more of that chartreuse green, or that green that you see on the tape there. What I'm using to hold them with are these Euro finishing clips. Okay, you get 4 in a pack. Hobby, that wood store, Wood Crafters, or where I found these at, and I use them for everything. They're $4. Okay, they're $1 a piece, and maybe you can make some out of some spring steel, but it was easier just purchasing them. Let's get this rascal dipped here. Oh, lucky Dave. Thank you for the Euro clips. Okay, I want to keep kind of an angle on this thing here. Got a bunch of little nooks and crannies in there, so we're just going to keep on diving down there. Hopefully beat that water. Take a look together. Alright guys, camera kind of cut off there, so while I was deleting a couple files, I went and rinsed it off for you. This is the Seahawk masket with warp speed. A real metallic silver in there. Actually, it's all metallic. It looks almost transparent. You can see the light blue and the green in there, and then you've got silver, and then whatever base color you've got is your 4th color. Just wanted to give you a little rundown, kind of show you what that pattern looks like. It dips real nice. It went into all the nooks and crannies. Might have got a little bit low on, or a little bit light on the hydrovator, maybe a little bit more. Kind of loosen it up a little bit. It kind of grabbed around the edges a little bit, but for the most part it dipped nice. So for you guys interested in getting some of the 12s that I'm making made up, give me a shout on my website or my Facebook. Hey guys, one more thing. I almost forgot to do this. This is the most important thing. This wasn't plastic. This was particle board. This is MDF. See, it's wood. Just particle board. And this stuff here, as soon as you get it wet, it'll swell on you. Remedy. This is the good stuff right here. Hellman spar urethane. Okay? Follow the instructions. You can spray this stuff. It says put it on with a brush. Mix it with 10 to 15% mineral spirits. Spray your first coat on. Sand it down with 220 after it's dry. And it takes 24 hours to dry. Spray another coat on it. 24 hours. Let it dry. You're done. Stick it in water all day long. Stick it in my rinse tank. Paint it. I micrometered to do a test on it. Although I actually got, and I soaked it in a pail of water overnight with the mic setting on it. Never changed. So it works really well. If you got some projects that are very susceptible to moisture, I definitely consider getting some of that stuff. Hellman's spar urethane. It comes in these spray cans too, but I like buying bulk. It's a little cheaper, and it will spray out of your HVLP if you mix it right. Oh, the second coat straight, not 15% or 10% with the paint thinner, or the what did I say? Mineral spirits. Shoot the second coat straight. Lay it on glassy. It'll come out real nice. You still have to, you know, sand it again or scuff it up to before you dip it. This day with Tsunami Hydrographics. We're out.